all, in this video we are going to be looking at a brain teasing activity, and that's going to be logical reasoning. And this question is basically about how many triangles can you find in this figure. So let's name this figure 1.8. So how many triangles can you find? So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You guys think that's all, but it's not the case here. What we can do is that we can count a triangle here. You guys see, it's a triangle as well, isn't it? So this triangle is 10, and after that, let's take this whole figure. 11, and now let's see. 12, and now here's also a catch here. We can find another figure here, and that is 13. Oh, where is it? It started to come on, be confused. Okay guys, we see a triangle here. So this is triangle 13. So thirdly, we can find 13 triangles in this case. So challenge completed. Back with another brain teasing video, and let's see what it is. Here we have a logic. 3:4. So 30 is to what? So 3:4. Then I'm sure 30:40. But here I reveal you guys the options for this question. A, B, C and D. But you can't find the number 40. So what do we do? What we do in this case is that let's try with the first option, 68, if it works. So what here we have to look into this thing as 3 cube. What is 3 cube? It's 27, right? That's basically 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 27. So what is the number back again? It's 3, isn't it? So 27 plus 3 is equal to 30. Now we have 4 cube. So 4 cube is equal to 64, which is basically 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. So 64 plus the number 4 is equal to 68, and here we got it. Gotcha! So okay guys, I'll see you all tomorrow in a new video with another logical reasoning question. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye!